Welcome to the sureTREAT mobile app for homeowners, Taylor Technologies' water treatment strategy software for your customers. Available for smartphones and tablets, the app makes testing pool or spa water easier than ever. Customers simply dip a sureTREAT test strip into their water sample, snap a photo with their mobile device, and then instantly receive a prescription for bringing their water back into balance. Test results may also be entered manually. Even better, once a customer account is created and linked to your retail store, only the treatment products sold by your store are recommended. As a pool and spa professional, you have the ability to increase the ease and frequency of at-home testing by sharing the sureTREAT Homeowner app with your customers, which will in turn increase your sales. Your customers can test their pool or spa water and get a detailed treatment report through two sureTREAT platforms: the mobile app using a smartphone or tablet, or the web app, where water test results can be entered manually. First, let's talk about the mobile app. We recommend you watch the video on creating an account before proceeding. Once your main account is set up and your locations, treatment profiles, and customers are entered, you are ready to start inviting customers to download the app onto their mobile devices from the Apple App Store or Google Play. They can simply search for sureTREAT or Taylor Technologies under the Utilities category, or scan the QR code under the peel back label on their package of sureTREAT test strips. We suggest you set up the customer's account in your store to assure that the account is linked to your retail location. That way, only products from your store, rather than generic products, will be recommended. If you set up the customer's account with your supplier code, your customer will only see your store's nearest locations listed for selection. Use your customer's email and a generic password to set up their account. Customers can change their password later if they so choose. If you decide to have customers set up their own accounts, provide them with your supplier code or request that they search for your retail store location and link to it. When your customers launch the sureTREAT mobile app, they will have the option to select Setup to edit their account or pool spa information. Or history to see any past test reports for their account. To perform a water test using the mobile app and the device's automatic camera option, tap Camera from the Run Test screen to begin. Next, tap the button indicating whether you are testing water from a pool or from a spa. In preparation for testing, collect a water sample and remove a sureTREAT test strip from its packaging. Tap Start. The app will prompt you to dip the test strip, and a 10-second countdown will begin. If this step is not finished in the 10 seconds allotted, you have the option to restart the timer. After dipping the test strip, place it on the center of the calibration label, which is located under the Peel Away label on the sureTREAT test strip package. Align the blue squares on the device's screen with the black dots on the calibration label. The app will count down and the camera will automatically capture the image. The blue squares may be positioned manually over the black dots on the calibration label if needed. Tap Results for the ability to generate a report, access treatment recommendations, and have the option of emailing the report. Test results are saved under the customer's history and may be accessed at any time. When finished, tap the back arrow in the top left corner and you're ready to run another test if needed. To input test results manually using the mobile app, tap Manual from the Run Test screen and then select either Pool or Spa. Perform a test using a sureTREAT test strip and then manually enter the test results in the fields provided. When finished, tap Report. To the right of each test result is a chevron. Tap any chevron to see more detailed report. Tap Email if you want to send a detailed report to a designated email address. Test results are saved under the customer's history and may be accessed at any time. When finished, tap the back arrow in the top left corner and you're ready to run another test if needed. As mentioned previously, a customer also has the option of using the sureTREAT web app for testing. Before using the web app, we suggest you set up the customer's account for them in your store using their email address and a generic password. The customer can change the password at a later time. If a customer prefers to set up his own sureTREAT account at web.sureTREAT.com, provide them with a promotional URL unique to your subscriber account, and they will be sent to a version of the web app that only lists your store's locations. Customers can then visit web.sureTREAT.com at home, test their pool or spa water manually, click on Run Test, choose Pool or Spa, enter the values, click on Report, and get a detailed treatment profile that recommends only those products supplied by your retail location. The report may be printed or emailed from the website app. Note that the user website allows for manual entry only. Customers may access their account and testing history through the user website or the mobile Homeowner app. All tests conducted under that customer's account, whether conducted in-store, through the user website, or with the mobile Homeowner app, will be added to that customer's testing history. Results will be formatted to the screen they're being viewed on, and detailed reports can be emailed from either the website or the mobile app.
Taylor's knowledgeable customer service representatives are available to provide technical assistance about our products. Call 800-TEST-KIT